Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting each dart component closely. Look for bent tips, loose shafts, or torn flights. Once done, gather the essentials so you don't stop mid-repair. Replacement tips or flights, a shaft wrench or small pliers, and optional O-rings or thread lock glue. You need a clean work surface and a cloth to protect finishes. This first step matters because fixing small faults early prevents bigger balance issues. Do it now so the next steps are focused and efficient. You now disassemble in a controlled order. Unscrew the tip, then pull the shaft free while keeping parts organized. Once done, replace bent tips with matching thread types and swap damaged shafts. Make sure to use an O-ring or a drop of thread lock glue for secure fit. Insert the flight, aligning it with barrel grooves to preserve aerodynamics. Do this carefully because precise alignment restores flight stability. After reassembly, toss the dart lightly to confirm smooth rotation and consistent balance before moving on. You finish by tuning balance and testing. Throw each repaired dart about 10 times, watching for wobble, flight separation, or consistent drift. Once done, adjust weight distribution by swapping barrels or adding small rings to shift balance toward the center. Make sure to reseat flights and confirm shaft straightness after adjustments. If things go wrong, persistent wobble or unpredictable drift, check for a cracked barrel or stripped thread. Replacing the damaged component usually solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.